Testing, testing, testing. Hi there guys, my name is Rohan Beve, and in today's video we are going to be talking about why is Jupiter so big. Now in today's video we are going to be talking about why is Jupiter, well, so big and ginormous. So you see, in our solar system, okay, one of our planets is the largest, okay, other than the sun itself, which is a star. And out of all the planets, one planet in our solar system has remained the biggest, being Jupiter. But why is Jupiter so big, and how did it get there firstly? Well, you see, back when, Jupiter formed early. So what that means is basically back then when our solar system, okay, was more or less still a bunch of dust, okay? It was still just a bunch of clouds of dust and gas, right? And the sun had been newly formed. Around this time, Jupiter was one of the first planets to form. And you see, being one of the first meant that it could collect more gas than the rest of the other planets. As you know, back then, it was more or less made up of gas and dust. So, being one of the first, it collected more gas than the rest of the other planets. And the more it collected, the more it grew. Because you see, the more bigger Jupiter got, the more gravity it had. And the more gravity it had, it pulled in more gas. And this cycle continued until it grew absolutely ginormous. Okay? And the thing is, another factor as to why Jupiter is so big is, unlike Earth, which is made up of rock, you see, Jupiter is a gas giant, which means it's fully made of gas. There is no solid surface. Jupiter itself is fully made of gas. The specific gases include hydrogen and helium, the same type of gases that make up the sun, okay? And again, it has no solid surface. It's literally made up of gas, okay? Thick layers of gas, okay? It might look like it has a solid surface, but it does not, okay? It's more or less fully made up of gas, okay? And the thing is, right, it's so big that it could fit 1,300 Earths inside of Jupiter, okay? Which just shows you how big Jupiter is. And that's basically how and why Jupiter got so big, okay? And, well, that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.